Hi, I'm John from Fantech Trade. We're going to go through some steps to show you how to install a Response Radiance 3-in-1. First, open the box and ensure all components are present. Right, we've taken the battery out of the packet. Get a 10-cent piece. We'll put the 10-cent piece in, open up, put our battery in, put the cover back on, like so, locks in, and that's it. We've got the unit out of the box now. So what we're going to do now, we're going to program it. So what we do is we plug it into a general power point in the bathroom. When we turn the switch on, you'll hear a beep. Then we hold the all off button 3 times, we push it down, and that'll program it. Hear the first beep? There you go. So now it's ready for glass and for heated lamps to go in. So before we put the lamps in all the glass, we need to undo the 3 screws on the outside, not all the way, just enough for it to come off. We've taken the globes out of the packs, so now we're going to place them in. It's important to have a tissue
so you don't put any oils from your fingers onto the globes.
Put one side in. So now we're putting the second globe in. So make sure that the frost side is down. Spring in, and that's it. Right, now I've taken the glass out of the packaging. We slide the glass in, and now we put the bracket back to hold the glass. It must be installed at least 300 mm from the outside edge of the unit to the nearest wall or permanent object, and at least 2.1 from the floor to the lowest point of the unit. It is not recommended to install the Response Radiance directly above the shower, and the unit must not be covered by insulation or other materials in the ceiling space. Next, using a template provided, mark a 320 by 320 mm square hole on the ceiling to your desired installation location, and then simply cut on the line. Now we're ready to install. We just need to make sure that we're isolating it from the mains. Right, we're going to attach the duct now to the spigot. So just by putting a cable tie onto it, it's supplied in the box. Done. The fan plug has already been installed. To avoid kinking the duct against ceiling joists and restricting airflow, the response radiance must be installed, the spigot and the duct pointing parallel to the ceiling joists. Turn the impeller by hand to ensure it is running freely. Now we're going to connect the spigot to the fan, plugging it straight into the fan plug. Right, now we're putting it into the ceiling. Swing the clips across. So now we tighten it up. Right, now before installing the faceplate, we need to make sure that we pick our desired colour. We have picked neutral. You've got warm white, neutral and cool on both sides. Right, now we're going to attach the grill. Now we're installing the bracket to hold the remote. That's it, remote back onto its bracket. We'll slide it on. As you can see, there was no wiring, runs on a battery. Fantastic if you can't get any wires down the wall. The Response Radiance will automatically pair itself to the remote, ready to be used. I'm going to turn the light on first. Heat 1, the fan will come on at low speed. Heat 2, and then fan at high speed. The unit is fully installed. We turn it off, all off, and it will run for another 20 seconds. Thank you for watching the video, and thank you for supporting Fantech Trade. For further information, refer to your installation and maintenance instructions.